So we started with HTML and then I showed you how to do the basic coding. Today we will proceed with this only. So we will be designing the page here. So suppose I'm using head, and inside the head I was using the title tag. Inside the yes, I will start the body, and I will have a body tag here. Inside the title tag, we will write down. Uh, I'm writing news website. So I'm writing here. I'm just writing down this here. So let's start with this. So in the body section, let's start with the body section. So I will just again go to the website. So I'm taking this an example, and this we did in the previous class. So I will be doing this here also. So suppose I'm taking example as suppose this one only. I'm taking this new suppose here from here. So we'll be taking any news website as an example, and we'll be doing that. Let me open this. So suppose this is a heading. I'm taking this heading from here, and I'm going to my website, and here I will have H1 tag here, the start, and this will end here only. Okay. So this will be heading, and then there will be a paragraph tag here, P, and this paragraph tag will be used here. Okay. Inside this paragraph, I will be copying this paragraph from here only. So I will copy this text from here only. This page is loading, so let's go to this and put this paragraph here. This is not copied. Let me copy it again. It's here. Let me save this file. Okay. So this will be news.html. I'm just saving the news.html. You can use others also. Okay. And I put this paragraph here. And if you can see, this is there, and then we have this image here. Okay, so we'll use this image in our website also. So I will right click and I will save this image first. So save image as, and I will save it with the name as it is showing now, and it is a JPG image. Now I will use this image here in my website. So I will put img src source. I told you image. Img stands for image, and src stands for source. So the image name is cow.jpg. I will save it, and then I will check it from here on. So I will run my application. First, I have saved my application with the name. Let's see, this is new, which we have saved it here just now. New one. Double click. I will double click on this and I will run it. You can see I have this heading here, and I have the text related to this, and then we have images here. So I have image related to that only. So text is there, then related to that paragraph is there, and then there is an image. Okay. So we have all the three things here. Regarding, you can control the size of the image also. Write down height and width. I'm typing here, the height is there. Then we have width here. Inside the width also you will write down. Suppose I'm putting height as 200 and width also 200. You can put anything which you want. So this is getting little smaller. So what I will do is keep it little larger. 500 and 500 here. So this is little better. I can also align it. I can align it any place wherever I want. So this alignment is not working here. Let me cut this from here, and I will put inside the div tag, and inside the div tag I'll put this property, and I will close the div tag here. Inside this div tag, if I will put it, I will see it put it in the center. I can have effect also. I told you in the last class also we put it the marquee. So we can put the marquee here so that it will start moving. You can keep your images in a movement stage also using the marquee. So if you press marquee here, just let me check what is wrong with this. Suppose I will remove this alignment from here. No want the alignment now. From the next move. I have to check whether we have closed the tags properly or not. Paragraph is also closed properly. Heading is also closed. Mark Q and Mark Q. Mark Q. Okay. Spelling is also correct. Let me put it again. See, now it's moving. So even I told you, you can change the direction also from here. We can move this. It will go to the right hand side now from this. Even top down also I can do it. Keep it as the bottom also. Okay, so this is what you can put it here. Okay, so there is a this direction is there, then behavior is there. Then there is one more property here known as behavior. Inside the behavior, you can have like scroll, slide, all that is in the behavior known as alternate. Okay, so let's check. Let's check whether it is working or not. Alternate. Okay, if it's not working, let's check it again. Behavior. It's not UR. Yeah. And this is putting right. Let's put it from here. Let's see if it is working or not first. So this is an alternate behavior. This image will not go outside the screen, it will be inside the screen. Okay, so it will just go from one side of the screen and to the other screen, but it will not move outside the screen. Okay, so this is what is known as alternate. Okay, so you can alter the speed and all. So that is what can be used here. They've already told you image tag. Then we have done the marquee tag here. Then again, we can put one more heading here if I want. I can put H2 heading here. Let's go to some other news here. This is one news. Let's get back and check for the other news options. Let's pick out this. Copy this and get back to this here. And then there is a paragraph tag here. Okay, I'm getting this here from here. Okay, I can put this also. And if I wanted to put background color here in the body, then I can put it here from here, BG color. Inside the BG color, I will put the color, whatever it is. You can put this color also. And apart from this, there is the option of color here, which we can use. So I can write down here HTML color code. If you go to this color code chart, you can go to any of the websites. There are a lot of links in this. You will open any of them. And this is a color picker, whichever you want the color. So you can pick this color. Suppose you want this color. So simply there is a code behind it. You just copy this code, go to your website in the place of yellow or whatever the color you put it. Just put this code and then go to your website directly and then just refresh and see. So you'll find that particular color code here at the background of the website. Are you getting? So whatever is there, you can put it and you can just get it from the website. Go to the website and you will get this from the color codes. You will get this. Okay. So this is what we can do from here. And then from here, once you have done this, what you can do is you can again include this. So then again, if you go this to this place, you can put this color or you can change whatever the color codes you just have to copy the colors from here and then you can use it. Okay. And if I wanted to use the background image in the place of this, I can put right down here background simply and double quote. I can put the picture, so which let's put that downloaded one. So this is, let me check the size of this image. Other properties, maybe the details. So this is a smaller image. I need to have a bigger one. So let's check from the for this image. I think this image is going to be bigger than the previous one. So this is a 4K type of image. Okay, so we can use this image also. So let's right click on this and go to the properties. You need to copy this location. You need to close this. You need to go to the website, and here we can put the this and the p.jp, whatever it is. So let's go here and let's check our website. It is not coming, okay, it is coming here. You can see the image, background images here. So you can put a background image also. This image is of larger size, very large size. So that is why the whole image is not coming. So you need to have a smaller size. So I'm using PowerPoint computer. The PowerPoint. Because I want this light color. Create it from here. Then I will play it. Right. Then I will put a print screen from here. Paint, I'm going to paint. Okay, I will just not paint, let's save it here in the desktop. Close this also. And in our website we'll use this. So using this you can here I will do. This is like a little edited one. So if you're in a company, they will give you the edited image, so you don't have to worry about the size and all. Okay. This is what you can do even after this. You can put PR break here, and I will put this heading inside the HR tag here. I will put another HR tag here. And after this PR, what I will do in this PR, after the BR, I will do start doing the other things. And then what we will do, we'll update this. And I will create an ordered list OL here. Inside the order list, I will create list item with li. Okay, so I'm creating the items with the name. Suppose here we have a name like suppose I'm giving any name. Suppose I'm giving a technologies used. Okay, putting colon here. Suppose I'm writing the technology name. Suppose C# language, ASP.NET, C# language. Then I will write down the other one, li item. Li is the list item. We are creating the list. Suppose Java with JBoss with PHP, etc. etc. I'm just writing all the three names on it. So go back to this and I will refresh this and I will go back to the below. You can see the list is there. Okay. So this list, this is known as ordered list. Okay. So this is an ordered list. This is what known as, this is known as ordered list. And here we have an option of putting a type command here. Inside the type, I can put capital I. This will become Roman 1, 2, 3. And from here I can change it. I can put the small I also. And then again it will change. Apart from this, what I can do, I will put 1 here and I will write on start. I can start it from any number. Suppose I wanted to start it from 6. This numbering system will start from 6. See, 6, 7, and 8. So you can see this is the option which you can use it. Okay, are you getting? So this is known as ordered list, which you can create. So I'm just giving you 5-10 minutes to practice this code, and then I will get back to the same thing. So you start practicing this. Okay. Yeah. Have you done it? Have you done completed? Do it quickly. You have only 1 or 2 minutes left. Then I will start again after this. After this, we'll be starting with unordered list. Complete this list complete. If you are having a trouble, you can see the code from here. So you can right click on your website and then also be the code is visible. See, text is getting cut, so text you can take your own. Text does not need to be this one only. Text you can copy from your own website or any other website. Okay, so let's start. I think most of you must have tried few of it. So another 1 or 2 minutes I'm giving, and then we'll start. Not wait for more. Okay, let's start. I think you must have done it. Let's get back to again. So this is what I've told you is ordered list. Now what we'll be doing it is known as unordered list. That is with UL tag. UL stands for unordered list. UL stands for unordered list. So here also the items are with LI, represented with LI list items. Okay. So suppose I'm making a list of suppose precautions. I'm making a list of precautions here. So I'm putting in a chart tag in between this, and then in this LI, I'm listing list of precautions. Okay. Suppose I'm writing here you can make list of anything. I'm just making a list related to this. Use injectables. Use injectables while dealing with hackers. I'm making one more list item, and you can make a number of list items. Each details and just writing the circuit. If I go here and if I go to my page and if I refresh it, I go to the below, you can see this list is different from this list in the sense that these are having bulleted points. Because this is unordered list, it does not have any order. I can put any point at any level. I can put the first point at last and last point at first and first at second, so on. And anything. Because this is unordered. In ordered list, you have this option. Here also we have an option like we can put a type command here. Inside the type command, I can write In the type command, I will write down anything like I have only three options here basically because there's only three options are supported by the browser. One is a square. You can see this round one has changed to square shape. That is the square. Okay. And in place of a square, I can also use square here. I will this is a precaution one. I'm copying this precautions again and again so that I can tell you all the three. Put it here. Second is this precaution two. I'm using here circle. Basically, these are less options compared to this. If I go below, you can see this is round, this is circle, and the first one was I'll use it like this. This will be one, this will be two, and the other one will be the three. This will be the three. And here I will not use any type. This was the default one, that is the round shaped bulleted point. You can see this is round, this is squarish, and this is circle. Basically, these three options are supported. Other options are not supported. Only three are there which are supported. Okay. And in ordered list, already I've told you there are many which are supported. So I copy the ordered one also. I'm copying the ordered one so that you can have this at the back of the queue. In that way, this is ordered list one. This is ordered list two. In this, I'll not use start. I will just simply use type command. This can also work like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is list 3. And here I will give you Roman number I, capital I. This is Roman numbers also there, and this will be list 4, and this is small I. You can see, you can have all these types. Okay, even this is one. I will show you one more one, and the other one you will do it by yourself. And here I will be using capital ABCD. You will use the small ABCD by yourself. You can try with the capital ABCD and the small ABCD both. You can see the number. Wherever there is an order, you can use that. Okay. So these are having the orders, so you will use this. Okay, I'll be sharing all these files along with you. So I have told you today what we have done. We have done the how to use the title, how to use the background color, background image, and how to lay out the website with using the heading, paragraph. We have used marquee with along with behavior. We have used the image tag and image properties like height and width. We have learned, and I've told you with the heading and paragraph, different headings. Then I told you the ordered list, all the types of ordered list I've told you. And I've told you unordered list and all the types of unordered list. Okay. So these are all which you will practice, and the other codes that we have done in the previous classes also you will practice. And again, so you will be using it to practice it in the codes, and you will combine all the codes. The day by day we are doing the codes, you will combine all of them, okay, together, and you will then use it. So this is the original look of the website. So you will be using all these. Okay. I can show you the source from here also, if you can use it. you can use this. Okay. So just try to be more precise and you do it all of them together as much as possible. There is ordered list 1, ordered list 2, 3, then this and this. And we have this unordered list 1, 2, 3, and so on. There is a lot we have done, and there are a lot need to be done. Okay, so just practice it as much as possible. All the colors and all you need to practice. From today's code, you will be practicing all these. Okay, and the coming classes will be doing